So hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to make a keto smoothie for Goryo. So let's go! This smoothie is peanut butter and chocolatey flavor. So we're going to add 2 big scoops of peanut butter like into this blender. 2, okay? 2. So next we're going to add this sugarless cocoa powder, just like small though, because chocolate will going to make it more stronger. So after adding the almond milk, I'm going to add this unsweetened whipping cream. Is it whipping cream? To add foam, make foamy. So now I'm going to add this coconut cream to like make more, what is it, baby? Make more. And now we're going to add this pure honey, locally made here in Philippines. So here it goes. I'm going to open that like that, and then I don't know how to open this. Okay. Okay. Just 1 scoop. Let's add this pure honey, just like 1 scoop though. Okay. And now it's time for us to add this unsweetened, like pure and natural coffee, black coffee, guys. Okay. That's a lot though. Okay. So now it's time for us to blend this, just to make some foamy texture. So we need to blend this really good, just to make everything, like for example the cocoa, the coffee, the cream, just to make that foamy like texture in this smoothie. And next we're going to have this raw walnuts, like will be added in our smoothie. So okay, so we're going to mix this or blend this walnuts. One is okay na? Babe? That's enough na? Then this one. Oh. This one is the almond, babe. Wait, so. Oh, Philippines. Look. And this one. It's perfect for sure. So when it comes to keto, you can experiment what you like. And of course, as long as there's no sugar in it, you're good at it. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, of course. Say something about this video, and then see you next time, guys. Thank you.